This video gives detailed instructions on how to replace the 6812B miter gear kit on Dutton-Lainson tongue jacks with a weight capacity up to 1,250 pounds, a 2-inch diameter outer tube, and manufactured after the 33rd week of 1997. The kit consists of these parts: a lower miter gear, upper miter gear, handle bushing, iron bearing, roll pin, and a dowel pin. Your first step is to remove your jack's top cap with a flat blade screwdriver. Rotate the handle as far as a 3/16 inch diameter punch set on the roll pin will allow. Then use the hammer and punch to drive the roll pin completely out of the handle. Remove the handle from the jack's outer tube. Then use your fingers or a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the upper miter gear, handle bushing, lower miter gear, and the roll pin you just drove out. Hold on to the wheel of your jack so you can use your pliers and the small hole on the side of the jack to remove the dowel pin. Then slide the jack's inner tube out from inside the outer tube. If the iron bearing at the top of the outer tube is broken or severely worn, knock it out with your hammer so you can replace it later. Now remove the 3 washers from the top of the inner tube screw. If they aren't there, they are stuck inside of the jack's outer tube, so use a table or other hard surface to get them out. Next, use your punch to completely crank out the inner tube screw. Scrub any accumulated rust off of the screw with a wire brush. Work automotive or marine grease into the entire thread. Then turn the screw all the way back into the nut. Apply a layer of grease in between each of the 3 washers you previously removed from the top of the screw, ensuring that the nylon washer is sandwiched between the hardened ones. Then put them back in place. Insert the inner tube all the way back inside of the outer one, so the top of the screw fits into its hole in the outer tube. Use the small hole on the side of the outer tube to help you install a new dowel pin evenly centered through the screw. Note the slot on the underside of the new lower miter gear, then fit it over the dowel pin and press it all the way down. If you removed your jack's iron bearing earlier, use your hammer and a 7/16 inch socket and short extension to pound a new one in. Install a new handle bushing with its flat side facing down, then set a new upper miter gear next to it and slide the handle through the iron bearing, gear, and handle bushing so its flat is aligned with the flat of the miter gear hole. Pound a new roll pin evenly through the handle's small hole. Work a fair amount of grease into both miter gears by cranking the handle. Then reinstall the top cap at the top of the jack. Thanks for watching. If you need more help, many more step-by-step videos like this one can be found on our YouTube channel.